All right, I'm going to go through the 6 different demand shifters. We're going to look at a practice situation, practice newspaper headline, and see, based on the facts, what is happening to the demand curve in each of these situations. So the first demand shifter I want to look at is a change in income. Here's the headline. The average salary for Americans up $5,000 in 2014. The question is, what does this do to the demand for NFL tickets? Well, since the average salary of Americans is going up, that is an increase in income. They have more money to spend on consumer goods. So that's going to increase the demand for NFL tickets. People are going to use their money to go buy NFL tickets. So that will increase demand. It's going to shift the demand curve to the right. We'll draw our new demand curve here. There we go. So demand increases, our curve shifts to the right here. All right, second shifter we're going to look at is a change in the number of consumers. So here we are, demand shifter number 2. Here's the headline. 1,000 new people move into Smithville, USA. What does this do to the demand for pizza in Smithville, USA? Well, since we have 1,000 new people who at some point will want pizza, they're going to be buying more pizza. That's going to increase the demand for pizza. An increase in demand is going to shift the curve to the right. And we're going to draw it like that. So the demand curve shifts to the right. Demand increases. All right, shifter number 3, a change in consumer tastes and preferences. So here's our fake headline. The iPhone 6 becomes less popular when Apple releases the iPhone 77 Plus. So when this gets released, how does it impact the demand for the iPhone 6? Well, people are going to buy the iPhone 77 Plus instead. It's going to decrease the demand for the iPhone 6. So we're going to shift our curve to the left. We've got our new demand curve here. Here we go. All right, our fourth shifter, a change in consumer expectations. All right, so this is basically the idea that consumers are going to buy now or buy later, depending on what they expect to happen. So here's our fake headline. Gas prices expected to go up tomorrow. So I want you to think about that. You can buy gas today, or you can buy it tomorrow when it is $1 more expensive per gallon. So how does that impact the demand for gasoline today? Well, people are going to buy more gasoline today, so they don't have to pay the extra cost tomorrow. So that will increase the demand for gasoline. We'll have a shift to the right. Our fifth shifter is a change in the price of substitute goods. Quick note here, I want you to take a look at. Sometimes 2 different goods can satisfy the same want. These are called substitute goods. So they're goods that are very similar and they can stand in for each other. So here's our headline, our fake headline. Sorry to the Coca-Cola company for making something up about you. Here's the headline. The price of Diet Coke skyrockets. How does this impact the demand for Diet Pepsi? Well, let's say all of a sudden Diet Coke is $3 a can. Diet Coke fanatics out there are probably going to stop drinking Diet Coke. They're going to look for something similar that they could drink instead. So they buy Diet Pepsi. The price of Diet Coke going up causes people to buy Diet Pepsi instead. The demand for Diet Pepsi increases, and we have a demand curve shift to the right. Looks like that. All right, our final shifter is a change in the price of complementary goods. Complementary goods are 2 goods that are often purchased or consumed together. So examples, hamburger buns, peanut butter, jelly. So here's the headline. ground hamburger prices spike. Hamburger gets more expensive. This is going to cause people to probably purchase less hamburger. And if you're not buying hamburger, you don't need hamburger buns. So how does this impact the demand for hamburger buns? It's going to decrease demand for hamburger buns. And our curve here will shift to the left. Alrighty.